Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on flipping. Flipping about a line is similar to reflection in a mirror. That is why we say that when an object is reflected, it is similar to the object looking at itself in the mirror. The flipped object is a mirror image of the original object. So you imagine this blue triangle is looking at itself in the mirror. That's what it sees on the other side. So the above triangle is flipped about the line. This heart is flipped about the line. The P is flipped about the line. And this shape here is flipped about that line or mirror. So it is easy to see how each of the above shapes are mirror images of each other. The same applies for the shapes below. Flipping in real life, the cat is looking at itself in the mirror. You've got the beautiful snow-covered mountains, they're being flipped. This beautiful lake here is so still that it's sort of acting like a mirror. Same with the swan, it's on a beautiful still water and it can see its reflection in the mirror. And the same with this bottle of perfume. It's been flipped in that mirror and that mirror there. For each of the following shapes, you have to flip them in the mirror. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 shapes, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So if you want to pause the video now, and you want to put the answers on a sheet of paper if you like, because the answers are on the next slide. So you have a chance to pause the video. I will move to the next slide now where we will see the shapes that have been flipped. Here we go. So there's the answer there. Flipped from there to there. That's been flipped from here to there. The C has been flipped. The R has been flipped. And that triangle has been flipped across there. So this video has introduced the concept of flipping, and it's the same or similar to reflection in a mirror.